Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the JR Products Propane Hose. Like most of your propane hoses out there, this is designed to allow your LP gas to flow through so you can connect it between point A and point B to power up your propane-powered appliances. There are a few things that you want to look for when you're shopping for a propane hose. Obviously, you want to make sure that it's going to work for your setup. So the first thing that you want to look for is the length. You want it to be able to reach from point A to point B so that it can connect securely and pass that propane along. This is a 40-inch long hose, so as long as your A and B are less than 40 inches apart, it should work. The hose is a rubber construction, which is going to help reduce kinks and cracking, anything like that. It's got an internal diameter of 3/8 of an inch, so that's going to be plenty of room for that propane to flow through, so you should be able to run all your propane-powered appliances all at the same time. The next thing that you want to look for are your fittings. There are several different kinds of fittings available for propane hoses. You can see we've got two different ones here. This one is our 3/8 inch male NPT fitting. This is most likely going to fit onto your regulator, although it could fit into a different port depending on what your setup is, but most cases that will fit onto the regulator on your travel trailer or RV. The other end is our 1/2 inch female SAE swivel end. It's a swivel end because it can move like that. Obviously that's going to make it much easier to thread into our fitting rather than having to turn the whole hose to get it tightened down. There are several different kinds of SAE fittings. So if you look inside there, you can see that it's going to kind of taper down towards our hole. That is our flare. So you do want to make sure that you need the SAE flare fitting female end for your setup. This hose is UL and CSA approved, so it's going to meet those quality standards. It's going to do a good job holding up. It's going to do what you need it to do. Now keep in mind, if this is not the hose that you need, maybe you need a different length or you've got different fittings, I'd encourage you to come take a look at our other options here at etrailer.com. Our goal is always to help you find the product that you need to solve your problem so you can get back to enjoying your time outdoors. That's going to complete our look at the JR Products Propane Hose.